Please like, subscribe, and share.
With support coming in the form of the Coronavirus Relief Bill, businesses can confidently shift their attention to prioritizing the health of workers, customers, and the community. One of the best ways to achieve this is to implement UV sanitation in buildings using Larson Electronics UV disinfection equipment. Larson Electronics offers a complete selection of UV disinfection devices for large-scale and personal sanitation. Our UV products utilize powerful UVC 254 nanometer fluorescent or eye and skin-safe far UV 222 nanometer excimer lamps to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and spores. This series includes the following UV disinfection solutions: UV sanitation carts with wheels or on a flat base, handheld UV sanitizers, UV air sanitation systems, HVAC UV disinfection lights, mobile UV air sanitation equipment, far UV linear and high bay fixtures, and more.
Please like, subscribe, and share. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.